Ratchetpeoplemeet. Ratchetpeoplemeet.com. I'm very familiar with the site. Me and Tito, we came on the site as kids, and I actually wrote ABC on there. And Barry Gordy, he came. He saw my status, and he said, you know, Mike, you should write that down. I went ahead and wrote that down in the studio, and we recorded everything. Actually, speaking of recording, I'm actually responsible for most of the songs you hear on the radio. It ain't nothing to cut that bitch off. That's what it was originally supposed to be, and it was, you know, No Flex Zone was actually my song. It was supposed to go a little something like. No flex, zone, no flex, zone. They know, but you know, nigga, they know, you know, nigga. Something like that, and we were in the studio. Me and Mike Will made it. He didn't like it. He gave it to that other little kid. After he ate some cookies and milk, he, you know, decided to go ahead and do that. And I have an original song of my own. It's the sample from, you know, the lady. She didn't have time for it when her house was burning down. I wrote a song for it. It's ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got ain't nobody got time for that. Something like that, and Ratchetpeoplemeet.com. I'm the only one that get the job done. I don't know a nigga that can cover for me. That's a game for my dad. Says she love me, she don't love me. That's says she love me. Believe me. Ratchetpeoplemeet.com. I'm the only one that get the job done. I don't know a nigga that can cover for me.
Hey Mike, can you show us?
Shut the fuck up.
We just want to see the
Shut your fucking mouth, man.